Guangzhou Herui, Shinya, Hitachi, Construction Machinery Company, Limited, was established in Guangzhou, China in 2001. Located in Guangzhou Zhuji International Construction Machinery Market, the largest construction machinery market in Asia. We have over 20 years of experience in excavator spare parts. With rich experience and good reputation in this field, the products sell well in America, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, Europe and other countries and regions. The company mainly deals in Hitachi hydraulic parts, Isuzu original parts, hydraulic assemblies, electrical components, seals and other excavator spare parts and engine assemblies. Spare parts. The main product series are Hitachi, Isuzu, Kawasaki, Cummins, Hino and other products. In line with the attitude of only sincerity, only faith and idealism, and the business philosophy of customer first, forge ahead, the company provides high-quality services to our customers. We always warmly welcome new and old customers to negotiate with full enthusiasm, perfect service and sincere cooperation attitude. Company address: Number 902, 9th Street. Zhuji International Machinery City, Number 36 Zhuji Road, Tianhe District, Guangzhou. Telephone: 020-3223-9972.